One of the most exciting aspects of a new iPhone launch is the camera upgrades that Apple introduces with each generation. This time, the iPhone 17 Pro brings some major improvements that are set to enhance photography and videography capabilities. But before we dive into the camera changes, let's quickly talk about some other important updates. Recently, we got our first look at 3D printed models of the iPhone 17 Pro, showcasing the new design direction Apple is taking. While many sources claim this is the first time we're seeing these models, those who have been following our updates know that we have been covering these changes for weeks. It's interesting to see how leaks and renders evolve, with different insiders presenting their own interpretations. However, one thing is clear: Apple is making significant design refinements, which we will discuss shortly. Now, let's focus on the biggest upgrade coming to the iPhone 17 Pro, the camera system. While many expected changes to the camera lenses themselves, the most notable difference is actually in the overall design. According to well-known Apple leaker John Prosser, the iPhone 17 Pro will feature a new camera module layout, departing from previous generations. Some sources have debated this, with conflicting renders circulating online, but the general consensus is that Apple is shifting towards a more refined and functional camera arrangement. Beyond the design adjustments, one of the most exciting upgrades in the iPhone 17 Pro is in the telephoto lens. Currently, iPhones feature a 48-megapixel wide camera sensor, and in 2024, Apple introduced a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor in the iPhone 16 Pro lineup. This brought noticeable improvements in image clarity, particularly in low-light conditions and night photography. However, one key area that has yet to receive the same level of enhancement is the telephoto lens. Right now, the iPhone's telephoto camera allows for up to 5x optical zoom and 25x digital zoom. With the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple is expected to upgrade the telephoto sensor to 48 megapixels, delivering much sharper images, even when zooming in. This change means users will experience better detail retention and less noise in zoomed-in shots. Additionally, Apple may enhance digital zoom capabilities, possibly increasing it from 25x to 50x, while maintaining image quality. Similar to how the wide camera now offers a 1x and 2x zoom mode with minimal quality loss, Apple could introduce a similar approach to the telephoto camera, giving users a seamless 5x and potentially even 10x zoom mode with optical quality results. This is a crucial upgrade, especially considering that competitors like Samsung already offer extreme zoom capabilities, such as 100x space zoom. While Apple may not match that level, increasing the iPhone's zoom range to 50x would be a significant leap forward, putting it on par with other flagship smartphones. More importantly, Apple's focus is on delivering high-quality images rather than just raw zoom numbers, ensuring that every zoom level remains sharp, detailed, and usable for everyday photography. Moving on to the front-facing camera, Apple is set to introduce another major upgrade with the iPhone 17 Pro. Since the iPhone 14 Pro, Apple has used a 12-megapixel front camera housed within the dynamic island. However, for the past few generations, including the iPhone 15 and iPhone 16, this camera has remained unchanged. Now, with the iPhone 17 Pro models, Apple is expected to introduce a 24-megapixel front camera with a 6-element lens. This upgrade will bring significant improvements, especially in low-light conditions. A higher resolution sensor means better detail, and combined with Apple's advanced image processing, the front-facing camera will capture sharper selfies with improved color accuracy and contrast. Nighttime selfies, which often appear soft or grainy, will benefit from the increased ability to gather light, ensuring clearer and more natural-looking shots. Additionally, Apple is expected to fine-tune the sharpening algorithms to achieve a better balance. Previous models sometimes produced images that were either too soft or overly processed. Beyond photography, this front camera upgrade could also enhance video quality, particularly for vloggers and content creators who rely on the iPhone for high-quality recording. With 4K recording already standard in Apple's front cameras, a higher resolution sensor could lead to better dynamic range and more detailed facial textures, making video calls and social media content even more impressive. Thanks for watching.